How to hide caller ID while making outgoing calls. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open phone. In here, click on three dots located on top right corner of your screen and then click on settings. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on calling accounts. In here, click on more features. Then click on caller ID and call waiting. If this service is available in your area, you'll find caller ID option. Simply turn on caller ID on top, which is use default operator settings to display my number in outgoing calls. You do that, you can easily hide your caller ID, and that's how you hide caller ID while making outgoing calls. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got question